Hey folks, Ron here, Oregon Hot Rod. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you're going to see the International Rat Rod finally get started. After 10 years of building this thing and this engine not being started in over 10 years, this should be a pretty interesting video for you. We did run into a few problems. Had a fire at one point, and so it's going to get pretty exciting for it a little bit. Anyway, I hope you continue to watch. If you haven't seen the past videos of the truck being built, I've put together a string of videos of this thing being built all the way from the frame up to where it's at today. Anyway, please subscribe to our channel. We're new. We're trying to get going here. Would really appreciate you just clicking on the subscribe button there. Hit the notification so when we do put up new videos, you can get those. And please comment. Please comment on our videos. Let us know how we're doing. Anyway, appreciate it. Keep watching. Get ready for the excitement. Okay, folks, here it goes. This here's the test start of the International Rat Rod. Oh, there's power. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Okay, folks, Oregon Hot Rod test start number 2. Damn it.
It's not getting any gas. Supposed to get up there to the carburetor, right?
Okay.
Don't try this at home, folks. Try starting fluid. What we're looking for a little bit of fuel. Start fueling this little fuel bowl right here.
Okay, Oregon Hot Rod. Okay, folks, Oregon Hot Rod. Trial start number 3. We say third time's a charm. Here we go.
Oh yeah, she's getting gas.
Uh-oh, I think it's gonna go.
Now we got clear gas.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
We had orange gas. Oh, there's fire, 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 fire.
Oops. It's fire.
Underneath.
Get it out. Oh!
It's off. But something fired underneath.
Oh, fire. I love fire. Okay. Here we go. One more time. It's gotta go.
But it's stuck?
Yeah.
What are you doing right now?
I am.
Says making a mess.
I'm disassembling the front fuel bowl on the carburetor here, because that's the one that has the accelerator pump, and we're not pumping any fluid up, so, or not fluid up, but I mean fluid out through the carburetor. So that means that I'm pretty sure that the accelerator pump is not pumping fuel. So I'm going to remove, what's going on here? Shoot. Oh, damn it. Well, there's one problem. Yeah, see, this here should be down here, and this here should pump, but there's no action going on here causing the fuel pump to pump. Or the accelerator pump to pump fuel into the carburetor, thus making for no fuel getting into the engine. So what I need to do is get my tray out here. It turns out this here's the problem with the accelerator pump. It is so old, it hasn't been started in 10 years. This accelerator pump rubber is just solid. It don't even move. It won't. And this has got to move, be flexible back and forth, and it's just rigid. So there's no fuel. It's you can't pump any fuel into the carburetor or into the engine. So looks like I'm going to have to pick up an accelerator pump, a new gasket. The gasket was just toast, and put this back together. Everything else looks real good in here. The inside of the carburetor is really clean. And Zach can't walk. He just started just yesterday, and so he's still tripping over himself. But you can see that the inside of the fuel bowl is pretty darn clean. Looks like there's a little debris down in here. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, a little varnish down in the bottom there I can clean out. So don't want any of that in there. Keep that off. Oh.
Are you scraping your carburetor?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a little bit of gunk down in there. Ugh. Well, these are problems you got to figure on with an engine that hasn't been started in 10 years or more.
Something up. The knife, you almost dropped it in the carburetor. You're gonna drop some shit off of there. Watch out, Layla. Well, she didn't go very far, so she's going.
Okay, folks. Good news. The rat rod is finally running. We had a few problems. Bad starter solenoid. I was an idiot, bought a cheap one off of eBay, and it just didn't work. Also, this easy wiring harness sucks. Somewhere in the midst of it, they decided it was a good idea to put a fuse to the coil, so wound up with a fuse that didn't work. That got blown out somehow and wouldn't allow the ignition. That's why we kept the engine, just wouldn't keep running the other day. So anyway, welcome to listen to that baby roar. Woo! I like that. Okay, folks, we're on here with Oregon Hot Rod. Just want to bring you up to date. Got to take the old rat rod out for a ride today. Got her all put together. It's on the road now. Got the tack in, our cool thing there. The transmitter. We got our fan set up, all done. Everything's all done under the hood now. Did find a few problems in my voyage today. It seems like I have an oil leak underneath here. It looks like the rear main seal's leaking. Got the rear end, got the bed back on it, got it all finished up, other than I do have a floor to put in it. I'm putting in a nice cedar floor, planked floor into it. That's all cut. I'm still trying to finish it up, but it's done. It's not finished as far as being ready to really hit the roads with and everything else, although it is running. Thing gets right down the road. The 289 sounds freaking fantastic. I still have, you know, finish work with the chrome and stuff. We got chrome for the hood here. You know, like I said, the box is permanently mounted. I still have some side panels to do. There's a panel that goes underneath the door here. Then I have a filler panel that goes up underneath the hood that I got to build yet. Get this thing looking really sharp. Then we'll be sanding it out and clear coating it. I don't think I'm going to do any paint. I'm going to do the patina look on it and go with it that way. Got the rear ends all, got the International tailgate in it. All the lights are working. Everything, got the front panel in the box. I'm pretty happy with the way things are turning out here. Tack's working, everything. Fire's right up. Still got to finish up the exhaust yet. I'm going to run that all the way back behind the wheels. I'm going to use a 3-inch tip on the end. We got a 1-inch muffler going to use, or a 2 1/4 inch end, 12 inches long muffler, 3 inches in diameter. We'll run it out 3 inches beyond there and have it dump out right behind the rear wheels. So anyway, this is Ron signing out with the International Rat Rod. Hope to see you guys out there pretty soon. I didn't get it done soon enough to get out for a lot of the shows, but I think I might be up at a couple of them this next few weeks here, and we'll see what we can do. Anyway, signing out. Have a great day.